with the L I told you, that's actually not taking place in the arms, in the hands, but it's taking place in the body, and the arms and hands show what's going on there. And last time I explained a little bit, tried to show that it's a transition between two worlds, which is emphasized there, but in a way that these two worlds interpenetrate, starts giving life to each other, giving meaning to each other. And when you again, first of all, arrive at yourself as a being on the threshold, and just become aware of the heart and the courage it takes to stand in front of a threshold. And what it needs to stay calm at the front of a threshold. And maybe allow yourself to experience yourself in the threshold. And then slowly let go inwardly. Feel yourself. And even now, feel yourself grow a little bit. Let your breath react. Make a step. And last time I showed a little bit how the L lives between this O realm and the R realm, the receiving one. And just let's go in it a little bit again. And just now do it with the body, not just with the arms. But what do I have to do in my body that it brings my arms forward and makes me lean forward and makes my heart rejoice with all this beauty there? And now what do I have to do inwardly in my body that something in my body starts opening up, but there's also something else? And suddenly I look into another world and I receive from there. And I could stay there. It's so beautiful. And what do I have to do now? That what I have received somehow starts connecting inwardly with what's there, and that a new joy in what's there comes about in my body and makes me make this gesture of love and embracing things and growth. And I could stay there. That's everything I need. And now let something come about in yourself which somehow makes you aware of another way. And don't become too big, don't open too much, just do it in a way that you are standing in front of a world where you are receptive for. And just feel these forces are helpers, helpful forces. And now what do you have to do inwardly that you are still perceiving this world of wonder, but let already go and connect? And suddenly you're only in this world, which is sufficient in itself and so rich, and flowers and blossoms and everything you need, fullness, richness and nourishment. And then again, what do you have to do inwardly to become aware that suddenly this is so rich, it has everything I need. I just could stay in this world, but I allow it to sink into the other one. Connect with it, fructify it. steer it, be there, and return to your heart. Let your breath react and breathe. Feel your feet. We have only moved the arms, but some of us probably feel their feet pretty well now, and just be amazed, how is this possible? And relax, breathe, and make a little step. And when we now try to have these two words alive in the L gesture, let's again remember that the body is doing the L. So from the heart, in Eurythmy, everything starts at the heart, just spread out, on the surface of the world. And now, what do I have to do inwardly that my hands develop this letting go quality, which allows something to flow through them? The lower arms to guide them, to follow them, and the upper arms to care for them. And then the shoulder girdle to really tell them where they are at home. And let the hands allow them to bring this blossom, this bud about. And then use all forces of your heart that this dark inner of the bud can open towards the light. And now keep it small. And again, allow what you have received to sink in. And arrive at your heart. Take it, bring it to a quiet for a moment before you open to the space around. And keep your connection to all sensations of your body. All what you receive is to nourish your body in its true being. And let it sink again. Bring all your love into this realm. Arrive at your heart. Open again. And just receive, stay connected with your body sensations. They receive helpful energy. And again. And breathe. What I tried to do a little bit was staying connected with the body, with this system, with the O system, not completely going into the upper system, but staying with the lower system and open up in a way that the lower system gets inspiration, gets light, gets everything what it needs in health. But I did not really leave it. Sit down, relax, enjoy, and look a little bit through your eyes. How do they look like? Or how do you look through your eyes now? What kind of gaze is there yet? And when you have the impression that it's a light-filled gaze, or the air around you is light-filled, then maybe become aware that eyes are not just only to look out, but they let light come in. And that this light you experience around yourself now might be a sort of light which can come in to be nourishing in your inner. But don't do it, just be aware it's there and notice its quality it can have for you. Allow your inner to resonate with it. And breathe, relax, and look around in your body. Say hello to this part, to that space you detect. Maybe there's somewhere a little rainbow. You can say, oh, how beautiful. Colors maybe you meet. What colors were? Everything. Your body just likes to be visited.